Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. So today's video topic is if you are getting error like no speakers and headphones are plugged in. In this video we are going to fix this. So let's start the video. First, click on the Windows icon, then click on this settings option. After that, click on this search box and type troubleshoot. You will get this result, troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Now after that, click on this option additional troubleshooters. Click on this option playing audio. Then click on this option run the troubleshooter. So this will try to identify the problem related with your audio. Now you can see the result. Troubleshooting could not identify the problem. So if you are getting the same error like me, close this window and cut this window as well. Move on to the next step you can try. Right click on the speaker icon, then click on this option open sound settings. Now here you will see these two options, output and input. So make sure you have selected the right device in both. So this is your step 2. Now move on to the next step you can try. Right click on the speaker icon again, then click on this option sounds. Now here you will get these two options, these two tabs, playback and recording. So make sure in the playback option this headphone is enabled. If this option is disabled like this, right click on it and enable the headphone. Same as for recording tab, if this microphone is disabled like this, right click on it then enable. So make sure both the devices are enabled. Now move on to the next step you can try, open device manager. So right click on Windows icon, then click on device manager. Now in the device manager you will see all the drivers you have in your system. Click on this option sound and video. So this will show you the audio driver, whichever audio driver you have in your system. So right click on it, click on update driver. So try to update your audio driver. If this option is not working, try to uninstall your driver. Right click on it, go to uninstall device, click on uninstall, and after that click on yes to restart your system. One more thing you can try is update your operating system as well. So these are the steps you can try. This is all for the video. Thank you.